Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to smore.com and you can click the link here. Then you are going to select login. And then at the bottom of this gray box, it says, are you under 13 or a student? Since you are a student, you will click login here. And then it asks you to either log in or sign up. And again, you are a student of mine, so you will select login. And then you will have to enter a group code. So you are going to go back to the page. I would copy it and then paste it in here and select continue. And then it says that you are in my classroom. Then you're going to type your name and oh, I guess I have to add you. But once you type in your name, you're going to click sign up to your classroom and then it will take you to my class. Your screen will look a little different when you log in, but you will select start a newsletter. And then I would choose other because you're going to be creating a newsletter from scratch. And you can just type in whatever you want it to be called. And then that will give you a tutorial. However, you can skip it and you can play with it as you wish. And then you will be able to create your magazine article. You can embed text, pictures, multiple pictures, music, links, videos, buttons, lots of different stuff. So I suggest that you play around with it first, get comfortable, and then begin creating your news article.